This video tutorial will guide you through the process of using AlphaSheet in Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and navigate to the Extensions menu. Click Add-ons and Get Add-ons. Search for AlphaSheet in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once you find it, open the AlphaSheet product and click Install. Now that AlphaSheet is installed, let's explore its basic features in version 0.0.9. First, you can extract data by typing in the relevant sentence. Next, AlphaSheet can also generate different types of content based on your needs. Finally, if you need to translate your content, AlphaSheet offers batch translation into your preferred language. With these features, AlphaSheet is a powerful tool for increasing your productivity in Google Sheets.